Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we begin today's story, if you truly respect history, if you believe small things can carry great value, and if coins have ever made you stop and think, then take 1 second right now and subscribe to this channel. Here on CoinZF, we don't just talk about money. We talk about memories, legacy, and the hidden power of coins that most people pass by every day without noticing. Now imagine this for a moment. You're holding a single penny in your hand. It feels light, almost meaningless. You've probably had hundreds of them over your lifetime. You've dropped them in drawers, left them in cup holders, maybe even thrown them away. But what if I told you that one specific penny from 1975 has caused collectors to freeze mid-sentence, experts to argue for years, and ordinary people to suddenly realize that history can sit quietly in your pocket without making a sound? The 1975 Lincoln cent was born during a time when America itself was changing. The country was recovering from the Vietnam War, inflation was rising, trust in institutions was fragile, and people were quietly holding on to memories of earlier decades when things felt simpler. In the middle of all this, millions of Lincoln cents were produced, stamped, boxed, and released into circulation. To the average person, it was just another penny. But history doesn't always announce itself loudly. Sometimes it whispers. The Lincoln cent design itself already carries emotional weight, especially for men who grew up seeing this coin every day. Abraham Lincoln's face is more than a portrait. It represents endurance, unity, struggle, and sacrifice. By 1975, this design had already been in circulation for decades, trusted, familiar, and often overlooked. That familiarity is exactly why the rare versions escaped attention for so long. Most 1975 Lincoln cents were made with standard materials and standard procedures. But coin history teaches us something important. The most valuable coins are rarely created on purpose. They are born from small deviations, tiny changes, quiet mistakes, and unusual circumstances inside the mint that most workers never noticed at the time. Some 1975 cents were struck under unusual pressure. Others were made using dies that had been overused, modified, or replaced improperly. There were moments when the mint was rushing production, moments when quality control slipped just enough to create something different without realizing it. And when something different enters circulation quietly, it becomes rare without anyone knowing. For years, these pennies sat in jars, coffee cans, toolboxes, and old wallets. Men carried them in their pockets while going to work. Some paid for coffee with them. Some gave them to their children as spare change. Nobody stopped to look closely. Nobody imagined that one of those cents could someday stand apart from the rest. Collectors who specialize in Lincoln cents know something that casual observers don't. The year alone is never the full story. What matters is how the coin was made, how it was struck, what metal it contains, and what tiny details separate an ordinary coin from an extraordinary one. The 1975 Lincoln cent is one of those coins where the details tell a completely different story. There are known examples where lettering appears slightly different. In some cases, the date looks sharper or misaligned. In others, the surface texture tells a story of metal stress or die fatigue. To the untrained eye, it looks like wear. To an experienced collector, it looks like a fingerprint from history itself. Condition matters deeply. A 1975 cent that survived decades without heavy circulation, without corrosion, without damage, becomes something special. Men who saved coins in drawers or envelopes unknowingly protected history. Those decisions, made without any thought of profit, are exactly what separates common coins from rare survivors today. Then there is the emotional side of collecting that people don't talk about enough. For many men in their late 50s or 60s, coins are connected to childhood, to fathers and grandfathers, to moments at the kitchen table sorting change. Holding a 1975 Lincoln cent is not just holding copper. It's holding a moment in time when life moved at a different pace. As collectors began to re-examine coins from the 1970s, something interesting happened. Coins that were once ignored started to receive attention. Not because of hype, but because patterns emerged. Certain 1975 cents showed characteristics that did not match standard production. When enough examples appeared, experts realized this was not random wear. It was something else. Serious collectors understand patience. They don't rush. They study. They compare. They weigh coins, examine edges, inspect mint marks, and analyze strike quality. When they started doing this with select 1975 Lincoln cents, the conversation changed. Quietly at first, then more seriously, these coins are not flashy. They didn't shine like gold. They didn't announce their importance. That is exactly why they survived. Flashy coins get noticed. Quiet coins get forgotten. Forgotten coins become rare. Over time, certain 1975 Lincoln cents became almost legendary in collector circles. Not because millions exist, but because only a handful met all the conditions required to be considered truly exceptional. Perfect alignment, exceptional preservation, unique strike characteristics, a story that could be traced back to the mint floor itself. Men who collect coins understand something deeply personal about this hobby. It rewards observation, patience, and respect for detail. It is not gambling. It is stewardship of history. When a collector holds a rare 1975 Lincoln cent, he is not just holding value. He is holding responsibility. And here is the part that surprises most people. These coins were never supposed to be special. Nobody planned for them to become rare. Nobody saved them on purpose. Their value comes from survival, from chance, and from the fact that most were spent, damaged, or lost over time. Think about how many pennies you've handled in your life. Thousands, tens of thousands. How many did you really look at? How many did you protect? How many did you dismiss without a second thought? That is why rarity exists. Not because something is old, but because something is overlooked as the years passed. Collectors who own these exceptional 1975 cents refuse to sell. They understood that value is not just money. It is trust. It is credibility. It is knowing that once something like this leaves your hands, it may never come back. Stories began circulating quietly. Not loud headlines, not internet noise, but serious conversations between people who know coins. Conversations about one particular cent, then another, then another. Each one slightly different, each one special in its own way, each one representing a moment when the mint unintentionally created something extraordinary. And then comes the part that makes people uncomfortable. Value. Not sentimental value. Not nostalgic value. Real value. The kind that makes people sit up straighter. The kind that forces you to rethink everything you thought you knew about pennies. When experts evaluated the rarest known examples of the 1975 Lincoln cent, taking into account condition, rarity, strike characteristics, and historical context, the numbers stopped sounding like pocket change. They started sounding like legacy. This is not about hype. This is not about fantasy. This is about how the market treats extreme rarity combined with perfect preservation and historical significance. Coins like this don't trade often. When they do, it is private, quiet, serious. Imagine realizing that something you once ignored could change the way you see value forever. Imagine understanding that history doesn't always wear gold or silver. Sometimes it wears copper and hides in plain sight. The next time you see a penny, don't rush past it. Don't dismiss it. Look at it. Really look. Because history has a habit of hiding among ordinary things. And now, after everything you've heard, after understanding the journey, the rarity, the survival, and the significance, here is the number that makes people pause. The rare 1975 Lincoln cent, in its most exceptional and documented form, has reached an estimated value of $12 million.